QCS Technologies Inc. was trending earlier after announcing a collaboration with LightSolver, a move that has injected fresh hype into the stock thanks to LightSolver's reputation in quantum inspired, laser based processing technology. The partnership is being framed as a meaningful step toward real commercial applications of quantum computing, particularly in optimization heavy sectors like cryptography, blockchain, and advanced data processing. Across trading forums, the excitement is partly fundamental and partly speculative. Bulls argue that LightSolver's tech could give QCS a rare differentiator in the crowded quantum computing landscape, potentially enabling faster or more energy efficient computation. Some are even floating the idea that this kind of partnership could eventually draw the attention of bigger players, such as NVIDIA, which has been aggressively expanding into accelerated computing, AI, and quantum adjacent ecosystems. But the story isn't one sided. The stock is getting extra heat from traders watching a potential short squeeze setup, fueled by what many claim is a low effective float and elevated short interest. The collaboration news has become the spark narrative, the sort of unexpected catalyst that squeezers love to circle around. Still, skepticism is running in parallel. Longtime observers point to QCS's volatile history, noting past pivots, funding struggles, and dilution events. Some worry that the hype cycle around this collaboration could become yet another setup for a capital raise, especially if retail momentum drives the price sharply upward. For now, the community is split between those calling this the beginning of a major quantum sector comeback story and those warning that until revenue, contracts, or clearer technical milestones appear, QCS remains a high risk, high volatility play where excitement can reverse just as quickly.
Okay, a lot of shares crossed the tape in this session. You can see that almost getting towards 20 times its average. Okay, quite a high volatile stock as well. High, okay, modest, reasonable short interest and low float as well. All of those, a combination of all of those and this fundamentals that I was just read out now would definitely result in something like this. Okay, we have a position in the stock. Let's see what we have on the 4-hour chart. We can see here that this trend actually began. This trend started to print began all the way back to the 18th of November, but from the 24th up to the second up to yesterday was actually contracting the expansion. But today has taken it has resumed the uptrend. The extrapolation of its on this 4 chart is saying that it might actually uh, advance further after maybe contracting briefly for by I mean all through tomorrow the fourth. Okay, the 40 period moving average is rising to catch any plunge that might happen. Let's see now. Let's have a look at its daily chart. On the daily chart, underlying trend is severely bearish. At such, there's ample room to the upside. If there are no upper projections currently, then we can still refer to the ones that were in play previously. As of the 29th of October, we had to the upside 2%, 6.95, 8.27, 9.03. And indeed, also there are downward projections of 2.45, 1.13, 0.317, 0.317. Yeah. Yeah. And here as well is saying that the strength might remain in place up till Tuesday the 9th. And after that, it's a contraction. Then momentum will equally continue, may equally continue to decay up to the 22nd of December. Then from the 24th is expected to pick up as well and then even surpass the current levels. Yeah, surpass what it has done since the middle of November. Okay. The question is, what is there anything that can possibly justify a spike in momentum? Well, there could be a lot of things, there could be a lot of things. So it was trending earlier on. So have a look and see what you make of QCLS, low float and reasonably shorted. And Let's see what we have on its active trader. Okay, spread is not that fantastic, but this is the post market session. If it's not if the spread is not there, if it's not looking that liquid, it's not out of place. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.